Alright guys, just take us out for a wee shot then. I obviously was telling you about the setup and things I've done, so just let you see it in action. Still not adjusted the braking anymore yet, but I think I will. Bit greasy as well, so don't want to go too crazy. Really slippy up that end. Just setting the suspension there now, so
It's not like the local, you don't need to wait for the power coming up.
ah, it's instant, aye. Right guys, I'll try that again. So there's a guy talking to me there just as I started my video, so I've done a couple of runs, a couple of passes I'll put up, just literally let it cool off and now do a couple more. The suspension setup's a lot better, I think, with the back sort of stiffened a bit. It doesn't seem to be bottoming out, but like I say, I'm not going for any max speeds today, just a wee play around and test it out. But the Arma Limitless is amazing. I absolutely love this thing. It's just an insane car. It's something different. Speed run I'm pretty new to, but this is obviously something I'm getting right interested in, as well as my crawling and my off-road cars, so it's just too much fun. But so I'll let it sit for a wee second and I'll bring it back on and we'll try and get some speeds up. This might be a sort of not consistent video, just due to the fact that every time I seem to get near the car somebody seems to come up and talk to me today, so don't know what it is. Maybe because I've had a shave and people are more interested in speaking to me or so, I have no idea. But yeah, everything seems fine. The controller's working great. Check this headset's working. Yeah, the controller's working great. No issues. The car seems to be really stable. I had up the top there a bit, but it's still a bit damp and greasy, so that's kind of why I'm not going for full speed runs. It's more just to kind of show you the car, a few passes, what it can do. But every run that I've done just now that I've put up is not even full throttle, just kind of getting up there and rolling off, especially because I've not altered the braking for 25% yet. I'm in two minds on doing that, because I don't know if I'll put too much strain on the ESC and the motor and things with putting the braking up harder when I do hit higher speeds, but at the same time you need to be able to stop as well. So I'm not 100% what I'm going to do with that. A lot of people have been telling me too about for the downforce is to cut all the notches off the top here and take the front wings off. You get a lot more speed, but right now I like how it feels planted with everything on, so until I get a lot more comfortable with the car I don't want to really do any aero adjustments. But we'll do another wee pass now, maybe one or two. So just a quick video just to kind of get the car up on the channel to see what it's all about. And if you've not watched my other videos, obviously just now, apart from the radio link controller, which is phenomenal, it's running just the standard same BLX unit as in the Infraction just now. I've not upgraded that to my hobby wing and my bigger motors yet. I just kind of want to get firmly used to the car, get settled, handling right, then the speeds will come. But speaking of speeds, there's a car passing just now, so not be doing a run for a wee second or two. Oh, there's another one. It's a really quiet road, but at the same time gets a little surges of traffic here and there. Somebody else coming in down too, so what I'll do is I'll just sit down just now. I'll not do the car any harm, because I've done a couple of runs. I'll probably give it a bit better chance to cool down before I go again, and once the traffic's away I'll cut his back in and we'll get another pass or two in, and then I'll head up the road. Enough talking and more driving, so let's go. Just do a wee gentle run up. Not go too hard. really greasy up there. Almost spun out earlier on. Let's do 1 or 2 more passes and that'll be it for the day. But no range issues at all with this radio link controller. Absolutely great. Open it up a little bit here. That's what I'm thinking. If I had harder braking I would probably slide and crash there. Nothing sounds like it's bottoming out either, which is good, so I think that suspension adjustment's definitely been worth doing. Oh, we spin out there. So I'm saying the roads are still really greasy. Absolutely no peace here as well to do videos. Right, we'll do last pass of the day. Oh. I think my battery's possibly cut out there just for the fact that I've done a few runs. Well, I was kind of waiting, I didn't think anything was going to disappear there. Yeah, I think it's maybe just been a low power cut off, so. Yeah, it's maybe just heating up a bit there just because I've done a few runs. Excuse me, I had dust in my mouth. But yeah, I don't seem to be having any issues at all with it. Just kind of getting confident with consistently getting speed. So, like I say, when I had it on yesterday, I hit the 90 mile an hour. But I'm not really right now interested in what speeds it does. It's more just getting used to how it feels. Not even sure if these batteries got another pass in it. I've got another set with me, but you see, I'm not want to get too carried away. I really it's just all about the feel and getting used to this thing. But it's just something different. Even compared to like the Infraction, for example, it's so similar but so different. It's hard to explain until you really drive it. It feels nothing the same. Yeah, that's really all I can really say. Unless you drive them, it's hard to explain. But I think you're just more aggressive with Infraction as well, though, because you know it's designed for sliding and flying about sideways, burnouts. But this, you're just kind of really trying to stay really smooth on this trigger. And I mean, you could set it up to do the same as the Infraction, but I really just want this for speed runs, so it's all about just trying to get smooth, get that power laid down. So it's a different kind of way to drive. I might not go for a full run here, just a little pass. just even this distance, not even far. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. There'll be a lot more of this coming on soon. In fact, I'm not even going to get another pass because there's a car coming down. Let's call it quits here today, I think. A wee burnout on the go. Yeah, I think even there I could actually feel the battery power's down, so right guys, another video done. More updates as I go with this, but I just literally just to show you that, and yeah, absolutely love it. Getting there step by step. It's no problems at all I've found with it yet, so hopefully stay that way. Catch you later, bye.